Hi everyone, we are from grade 2 and today we are going to show you how we can use base 10 blocks to understand ones, tens and hundreds.
Let's get started. This is a unit block. It shows 1.
And this is a 10 word. It shows 110.
This big one is 100. Is 100 flat. It has 100 ones. It shows 10 tens.
Let's build the number. We are building the number 132. This is 100. And this is 3 tens. And this is 2 ones.
132 is 100 plus 3 tens plus 2 ones. Now let's build the number 245. We need 200s, 4 tens and 5 ones, which is 245.
Base 10 block help us to see the number clearly.
We can build and break the numbers using ones, tens and hundreds. Thanks for watching. This is Avani.
And this is Brian
Signing off. Bye. Wait. Don't forget to like,
share and subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.